Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Teamery microscope for adults, kids, students. This amazing microscope is perfect for beginners and experts alike, with a magnification range of 40x-2000X, giving you crystal clear images and the ability to see even the smallest details. But that's not all. This microscope also comes with a phone holder, allowing you to capture amazing photos and videos of your specimens using your smartphone. Plus, the dual LED lights and adjustable brightness make it easy to observe a wide variety of objects, whether they're opaque or translucent. The included 10 PCS specimen slides, 20 PCS slides, and 100 PCS cover slips ensure that you have everything you need to start exploring right out of the box. And with the 5-color filter wheel, you can experiment with different filters to get the perfect view of your samples. This microscope isn't just a great tool for learning, it's also a fantastic gift for curious kids and adults alike. Whether you're using it at home or in the classroom, the Teamery microscope is sure to spark a love for discovery and science. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Teamery microscope for adults, kids, students, and start exploring the amazing world around you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to take your scientific exploration to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing product reviews and science content. Thanks for watching.